Hi guys and welcome to an overview of Paul Omen name generator. So let me show you guys how this works. I'm going to enter my name there. Click on that. There we go. As you can see, it says Paul Omen from this day onwards. You will also be known as Dynamic Hunter. And supposing I enter my friend's name, there we go. You see, Danny Glover from this day onwards, you will also be known as Childish Gambino. So, guys, this package, I'm going to zip it up and enter it in my Google Drive, and I will definitely make it available for you guys at your own risk. You do not have to download it. However, if you download it, it's at your own risk. That means you consent to whatever. So the program is actually developed using Python. So what will happen is if I get enough view, let's say about 20,000 views and enough requests to put this very program together, then I will definitely create a tutorial of how to create something like this. So with that, I'm gonna call it bye for now.